his dad fills in the hole but empties the hole.
He doesn't look happy. He doesn't know what to do. He's frazzled.
Got sand in my mouth. Waves that ripple on. So pretty. Is this fun? That is beautiful. Is that nice? Spikies.
Yeah, we just...
We are just walking to Wallaga Lake, or beach, in Wallaga Lake, the town, I guess, and it's called Camel Rock, and from what I've seen it looks pretty cool, the rock formation, and that's where we're going.
About a 3k walk from the caravan park we're staying at.
Yeah, we just...
Nice little exercise for the morning. The dog will love it.
Good walk for the dog. Yeah. Carries his stick.
We're almost there. Quite a few people there.
Oh yeah. This is Camel Rock. I'm not even sure. I guess that's the camel.
Come through here.
This is Camel Rock.
So, this is Camel Rock, Lake Wallaga. Pretty cool.
We're not sure which rock is actually the camel.
That's kind of looks camel-y too.
I'm thinking it's that one from the other
We'll
angle.
send the drone up and see if the drone can see which one the camel is.
But how beautiful is this?
Little rock pools. So the water's so clear. Little bath here that the dog likes to go in. See the fish, it's so clear. Uh-oh. Found this really cool place and we're waiting for the wave to smash up behind us so we can get a photo. Pretty much. Here's the dog. He's got his stick, so he's happy, but he never stops wincing anyway. Look how clear the water is. It's absolutely amazing. This place is so nice, so much to explore, so many rocks to climb. It's so cool. The sun's in and out, but there's nothing new about that, is there? Is there, Jack?
No.
Sometimes there's really big waves and it just smashes right up. Looks really cool.
Just walking back from Camel Rock, we came the roadway this way. We actually saw a sign that said dogs aren't allowed at Camel Rock, but we came through the beach way that said dogs are allowed, so we got little Toxie in. He snuck in.
And we have to walk on the soft part of the path because Jackie's feet hurt.
I
like the roughness, Jackie.
Ray's got very sensitive feet, and ever since I said, oh my god, you knocked my shoes off the back. Ever since I said he had sensitive feet, now he dramatically stomps his feet around to be like, he's not got sensitive feet. You do. Walk in that mud then. Just there.
Just get muddy.
Too sensitive. You nearly did. Don't go on. He's such a he's very sensitive.
Hey guys, we've just we're at the caravan park. We've had a huge day. I've just been cleaning up a bit. Jackie just got back from the shower. The dogs was having a nap, but he's just woken up. And we're booked in to go to, there's a brewery inside the caravan park. So we're booked in to go there tonight, have a few drinks, have some delicious food, and then we're gonna come back out and collected all this firewood today. So we're gonna have an awesome fire, have a few drinks here and chill out by the lake. So it's gonna be awesome. I'm fucking pumped. It's gonna be a sick night. Jack.
So, bartender.
What do you have, partner?
May I have a cider?
Yes, you may.
Wow, thank you.
So fast. Anything else?
No, all good.
Anything? Would you like a beer?
Could I have a kiss?
My girlfriend might find it. Very happy. Come on. Think these birds in there. What? That's your water bucket. cold down here. I think your bed's hurt.
Wow. But you smell the gold?
He smells it.
Yep, go for it.
We're about to have the world's greatest fire.
Oh yeah. That actually looks really good.
It is really good.
I thought you put way too much gasoline on it, as you call it.
No.
Petrol.